Hey everyone, welcome to Laptop Repair Zone. So in this video I will unbox this Rf4 lens, and this is Rf4 and this model WD168 0.48X. So let me unbox. So I got this cleaning cloths, and then this is a lens. As you can see here, WD168, and this is 0.48X. Okay, so let's install this. Install is done, and this lens will increase this working height, as you can see. So let me show you. See here, show you. So as you can see, it's 7 inches top to bottom working height, so you can very easily work under microscope on this lens. So let me show you in the camera. So if you want to buy this lens, so you can check Amazon link I give in my video description below. So very nice lens. Okay. Thank you.